How to change your gender to male on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your gender to male on Facebook Lite. First thing, click this Facebook, and then click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and then click this one, profile information, and go down here. You will find gender settings. Click this pen here, and now all you need to do is just select male and save it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.